Stop the violence in hip-hop. Why,
It's your boy Crypto Blood. Welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. It is October 16th, 2019. This is a throwback right here. Kyle Few out there on YouTube. BDP, Stop the Violence. Thank you for the song request. This is before my time even, man. So thank you for the song request. What's good, people? Hope you guys are doing well today. And welcome to another episode. Today we are looking at something out of China. It looks like the Nike crypto token price has crashed because of the whole NBA China scandal. And it's funny because I was this morning watching on Real Vision a interview with Kyle Bass and another gentleman. I can't remember his name. I'll probably do a double spin on it, just a segment of it that I want to highlight for you guys, and you can watch the whole thing. But it just shows like China's not playing. They're looking to take back over. You know, their whole thing is they've been in power for 5,000 years. And, you know, they've kind of relinquished that power for maybe 100 or 200 years. But they're used to having a regime that was ruling the world. So, you know, they're doing a lot of things over there to really threaten the supremacy of America. And, you know, can I blame them? No. Because if the shoe was on the other foot, we'd be doing the same thing. So there were a couple things in that interview that I'm going to highlight, though. I'll do a double spin on it maybe later tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, I didn't even know that the Nike crypto token was trading. I did a video way back about the Nike crypto token, but I never knew it actually was starting to trade. So maybe we can see where it's trading and get some details on that as well. But that is out of Cointelegraph. Second article out of the block. CoinMarketCap now publishes interest rates on cryptocurrencies, allowing users to compare and choose. So that's interesting. I'm sure crypto.com cryptocurrency is on there. CRO has got to be, man. They are offering crazy interest rates. So we'll take a look at that article and also take a look at the new section on CoinMarketCap. I had no clue about it. Last article out of CoinDesk. Fearing U.S. decline, ex-CFTC heads propose a blockchain-based digital dollar, as though this was not going to happen anyway. This is definitely the direction we're going to be going. We've got China creating their own cryptocurrency. We've got the petro over there in Venezuela. And I'm sure of it that eventually we will see a crypto or tokenized SDR as well, maybe issued by the IMF. But this is the direction we're going to go. For us out there thinking that cryptocurrencies is going to just fully replace the current fiat system, you have a very skewed and misunderstanding of how monetary policy works and who's running this thing. They're still running. I mean, and what I mean by that is the governments are still running this. The cabal, they're still in control of this whole situation, people. So don't think that Bitcoin is going to replace anything in its current form. Will Bitcoin benefit from all of the turmoil and the fiat all heading toward zero? Yes. But they're just going to create new fiat currency, and those fiat currencies can be crypto. And it was funny because I was having this conversation with a buddy of mine yesterday, and you know, I was telling him, man, you know, when things hit the fan in traditional markets, what happens? And I've told you guys this and illustrated this before. When things hit the fan, there's a flight to safety, okay? And the flight to safety is not a flight to speculative assets. Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and all that are very speculative. So you're not going to see traditional money just all fly into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, because those are not considered flight to safety assets. They're considered very speculative, highly volatile assets. Just understand and play the game correctly. Now you will see a very small percentage of those liquidity flows go into the cryptocurrencies just because they're there, right? If it's there, it's gonna happen. But the percentage of it is going to be so small that it won't make it go to $1 million over a month or two or something crazy like that. However, you will still see, I think, an outperforming move by Bitcoin and in certain altcoins when stuff does hit the fan, because the market cap is so small. You know, it's still a very small industry, a very small asset class. So just wanted to give you guys my 2 Satoshis on that. And again, just want to bring your attention to Ask the Block, a new series on my channel where I basically answer questions you guys send me regarding crypto and blockchain based subjects. So if you have a question, just leave a comment with the Ask CB hashtag and I will queue it in there for you. We had a great list of questions last episode. That was episode number 3. So that aired last weekend. I'm doing them every weekend now here. So if you have missed any of the previous ones, make sure you jump over to my channel and check it out. And shout out to Moon Lambo, and that's shopmoonlambo.com. They have great crypto apparel over there. Make sure you guys jump over there and save 10% on any apparel if you use the word CryptoBlood10. Let's take a look at this heat map. We're red all over the place today, guys. Bitcoin down 2.3% to 7,976 bucks. Ethereum down big. We're short Ethereum, actually probably up around 5% at this point. ETH is down 2.9% to 173 bucks and 99 cents. EOS is also down 1.4% to $2.90. We've got Litecoin down 3.7% to $52.51. Binance token getting battered here, down 3.5% to $17.60. And XRP down 1.9% right now. Technical analysis on Bitcoin right now, guys. We did not achieve any significant time above that 85 or 83.54 area, so that was definitely an area of weak support for bulls. So that will still be an area of resistance for us in the future. But what I want to highlight are the 3 bottoms I have circled here. A triple bottom still may be in play as long as we don't see anything lower than where we are right now with the markets. If we can create a V-shaped kind of recovery from here, that will still constitute as higher low. So this is a very critical area that we're in right now. But ultimately, if we see a breach of 77.39 area, then we're gonna head fast, I think, past the 74 at that point, and maybe head further down. And as you can see with the algo, we're short Ethereum right now. Actually went short all the way up at 181 region. So nice short going on right there. Unfortunately, we did get tapped out of our short position we were in on Bitcoin 3 days ago. We started the short, but ended up getting tapped out on the 14th. Just got us. It just did a stop hunt and got us out of that position. Unfortunately, it would have gotten us right here anyway as well, even if it was up a little bit more. So can't get them all, but we are still short on Ethereum in the algo. So good trade there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first article out of Cointelegraph. NBA China scandal crashes Nike sneaker-backed crypto token price. A non-viral post by a Chinese cryptocurrency trader has highlighted the stark drop in the price of American sneaker-backed tokens in the wake of the fallout between the NBA and China. As Reuters reports, on October 16th, the anonymous trader's Weibo post from earlier this month had shown a spotlight on the apparent 10% crash in the price of a cryptocurrency token backed by Nike Air's Jordan sneakers on a United States-based exchange. You guys let me know if you heard that this was actually trading already. It says in quotes from Reuters, "It's clear sneaker speculators were putting money out there on the market." He interpreted the market response in the context of Chinese netizens' anger over a now notorious tweet from Houston Rockets general manager Daryl Morey, in which he declared solidarity with anti-government, anti-Beijing protesters in Hong Kong. As the report notes, Morey, who swiftly deleted the controversial tweet. I can't understand ever why people delete tweets when we know the internet never forgets anything. Crazy. Reuters has calculated that the price of tokens backed by Air Jordan 1 Retro High Satin Black Toe sneakers, the latest in a lineup of exclusive and iconic sneakers sported by the NBA stars, had fallen 34% since Morey's incident. Reuters' analysis is based on data from global digital asset exchange 55.com, which the report notes is used by Chinese traders who, while being banned from trading on domestic platforms, exchange their yuan for Tether USD via Alipay or WeChat to purchase tokens. Wow, I had no clue about this, guys. So I'm on 55.com. Travis Scott. They got some sneaker from Travis Scott coming that looks actually kind of dope. I don't even wear sneakers anymore, but that's pretty dope there. But this is crazy. They're actually trading these shoes like as a token. They've tokenized these actual shoes. This is absolutely crazy. Let me know if you guys know about this at all. I had no freaking clue. Look at this premium brand token. Wow, this is insane. Wanted to definitely cover it. I thought it was the actual token that Nike was planning on doing and tokenizing some of their shoes. I don't think this is it. I do not think this is the official token that Nike has. So, but that's interesting though. Very interesting. Next article, out of the block, CoinMarketCap now publishes interest rates on cryptocurrencies, allowing users to compare and choose. Interesting. No pun intended there. So it says the cryptocurrency data provider CoinMarketCap has launched a new page where it publishes interest rates offered on several cryptocurrencies to help users compare and choose a suitable product. Dubbed Interest by CoinMarketCap, the page has launched today with 33 cryptocurrencies and stablecoins. It covers information from major lending platforms including BlockFi, Celsius Network, and Binance, among others. Users can find annualized interest rates, deposit terms such as minimum duration for realizing returns, and other information about these platforms. It says that the cryptocurrency lending sector is currently valued at nearly $5 billion, according to crypto credit assessment startup GrayChain, and Celsius and Genesis have the highest volume with 65% of loan origination. So here we go, interest.coinmarketcap.com, the list showing you interest earned by these particular coins. Wow, crypto.com, as I thought, would be up there. They are number 2 with their 90-day duration, basically staking program they have. You earn 6%, and I think you actually earn even more if you stake their CRO token. So the CRO token, if you stake for 60 days or 90 days, you get like 16 or 12%. They're not even showing that. So crypto.com is on here 3 times. The 30-day, as I told you guys, there are various staking programs. You can do day-to-day, which I see is 2% down here at the bottom. But you can also do 30 and 90-day, of course. So we've also got BlockFi on here, Celsius Network, and Binance on here twice. So this is pretty neat. Bitfinex is on here as well. So check it out, this new website, interest.coinmarketcap.com. Thought that was something you guys would be interested in. Again, no pun intended. And last article, out of CoinDesk, fearing USD decline, ex-CFTC heads propose a blockchain-based digital dollar. It says 2 former heads of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission are offering up a plan for a government-sanctioned blockchain-based digital dollar. In an op-ed for the Wall Street Journal published on October 15th, former CFTC chair and former director of Lab CFTC, the Watchdog Experimental Initiative, proposed a blockchain protocol to digitize cash to allow the dollar to compete in the new digital era. The USD-backed stablecoin is envisioned for daily transactions both domestically and abroad. Created and administered by a non-government group, the program would be dependent on participation from the Federal Reserve, commercial banks, non-bank intermediaries, technological companies, and social media platforms. Wow, this sounds like they're just going to go ahead and take what Libra's trying to do and do it themselves. And again, this is another reason why if they roll out this infrastructure, which they will, this is one more reason why XRP is going to be null and void and irrelevant. Anyway, it goes on to say, though reliant on trusted, regulated intermediaries to maintain digital wallets and validate transactions, this distributed ledger payment system would hold advantages over the current monetary system. They highlighted the higher transaction speeds, the ability to make micropayments, as well as increased security and transparency enabled by cryptocurrencies. Beginning with a pilot, they say recognizing that no perfect solution exists to address challenges and promises of digital currency, nor can anyone predict all the technological advances these efforts will generate. So this is going to be a very big threat to MasterCard and Visa. You know, if I were MasterCard and Visa, or if I were actually, let me just say this, if I were trading in the equities, I would surely be shorting the hell out of MasterCard and Visa for the long term, because this is going to eliminate credit card payment system unless somehow they kind of include them into this new system as one of the trusted intermediaries. We'll see about that, but should be expected, right? I'm just reporting on it, but this definitely should be expected by you guys. So that's it, people. Let me know your thoughts on all three articles. 55.com. You can trade your Jordans on. I did not know that. Man, a wild world we live in nowadays. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. I want to give a shout out to my man Kyle Few out there on YouTube for the song request. BDP, Stop the Violence. And once again, like, share, and subscribe, guys. And click that bell to be notified about unbiased crypto news reported by yours truly, Crypto Blood. I'm out of here. Holla.
I say